Ki khubor ka Batesi TV
ka umdi basnyambat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Assistant Ram Bachnong Joshnong Mawsynram Ubahiam Dor Rapsang Lapin Shah Bakador Bachnong Mawsynram Ka Yang Scam Halo Kanongrem Bagakram Mau Jimbun Kamri Satya Ka Jaka Meneble Jong Ka Nugu Kan Hunyam Hene Ka Dai Baik Ka Krem Ka Lapin Long Hi Da Ublei Nong Bu Nong Thau Nadu Hendai Hentai Hadu Menta Mene Hal kejia keran bakilar patai kubor hadin melakut ke Ïalam melakot penlong teka Deputy Commissioner Jong ke East Khasi Hills District ke Kong RM Korba ubar rapsang lapin syai baom shim lakhang setia inu nuru bane jingok ke karam mau jimbun nadu kepol kendai beje min step hadu kepol san beje janmien hendre ke dor basnong kam syapat ban penlong ke nuga jing le nyam da ke nuga ken hun nyam hapo ke ke karam namar bakam dei ke jaka le nyam hendre ritang ke jaka jingok kai perthai Presiden Jongka Kutumba Suraksha Parishad Usatya Ranjan Bora Ula Kubur Bula Yoy ke Jingpin Shah Bakador Bashnong Mawsynram Kamshim Lakhang Yunu Nuru Bale Jingok Yakakrem
Ki kamdan kanu karai ka batmai na kalem jungi ka dobesnong ka ju hi karai kata kalong ba number 1 ngi dei ki try jong katika kram mo jumpoy bat ka baar karai jong kasnong ibrokaway nadu menchua bat hadu menta ba nimsha ia kanu ka kanhun banwan le niam le rukom hagadei ka kram mo jumpoy manu be la banwan as individual kenhun siparlok kumni kumtai gila ban yawan tang ba ki di ban put bet tang e ki kendon ki bakas nong kalabu ki kendon ki bakas nong kalabu kalong ba nimsha ban maneblei hagati mo jumpoin ban penlong ya ka kum ki mandir ki temple ber ki wi pi namar kati ka krem jumpoin kadika tourist spot ina ban buram ya baro ki bawan pajkai jungo kai hagati ka krem mo namar ki por ki bomenchua hakata kajing bom kajing wan le tu kajoki kamor kiwan ban the dot kiwan ban thang dop kiwan ban pret kisentiu kawan ra kajing smai utung kajing jabo how to gram bojumpoi mo how to ma te ka dobesnong kala khang persha ko bi kitai bangi labu ru ki priu ki ban pej ban jibo hang te khati ki jaga ni kwa ban penne pensa e ketika gram bojumpoi kum bakalong kum ba wayu play nu bu nong thau ye ketika gram kolong kum tu ngin pensa penne be kum tu em kata tu ka dobesnong kan le e ka badan kam mo kan la benda e ka badan kam kan stom kat kum ka ai e ko bide ka kremo jupun kapli man kasni nadu khandai baje hadu san baje ma kapli yanu ino pg thu ipikindat kidon kini kisukwa bodong ban da kata ka permission mo habangi ai ka permission kala long officially bangi kran ye kata ka permission kiti ka permission yu kipan kalong ba kinwan le diam hangte ngiyong kati ka mo jupun kam dei ka jaka le diam ban nginum ai kata ka permission dai lada piwan kadno ko nongot ro wan hangte subut bet tangi kita pi kedot ki bakasno bah ki bangala batai hangta pi kidon ki bri ki kani kadi kajing Ïalam Bakla ya kani ka KSP na po asam ro kadi tang kajing suthu Bakla untalawan hang ni ula Phla ya kata usuthu bola Shah Ïalam Bakla pi nama na do keleng kari India ki wan na Chennai na Haryana na Assam na West Bengal ki wan na ki wan hak hamtam hak tu katayo ka bakerpang ka joki kajing e joki ki wan na ki wan as individual ki yo i ketika signboard ka bangila display ki bangibo ki kendon dai kinta lawan kiong gumta ngil along ngisuhun ya kata ka jingwan ka jongi namar lada ka dei ka mandir ka jongki ka temple ka jongki tikila ban le kumno kuno kan bagi soviet ma andai ba ka dei ka krem ka jaka jongki wai ban ka dei ka tourist spot ka dei ka krem natural ka badon gumta kumno kin kan convert ongno 100% sa kataka kamtam ka dei ka jongki wai ka property jongki wai bi ya kan orang jo kasnong ngin penne be kumjo komwat me kamot dawan ki presyo nang ni natairo ngin yo menta nakalyang idisi haba la sngap sa na kajing slow joki mo ba makiru inda ki la smutho ba ndei ba ngi khang tang ye kajing mane boleh rangi ong iki balad me kwa banlej mata kasni ru kapli susiu tang to ka bayrung la byang mo tamba bod iki kendon kai mo ti na kata kadau ka karai mata kalong be kamdon kanu ka balong ba kaditang kajing suthu Bakla uniu ke SP da Assam ro kaditang kajing suthu Bakla hagi wei pat kidon giriu simet ki ba persang ban pensuthu Bakla yeki ba hangte program mo jupun Shah ban manela jod mo ya kinu ki kun hom niam kaditang kata
everyone is allowed
see everyone is allowed and everything is done so there was no ban
Okay.
There was no ban. Anyone can go there 365 days from 9 to 5 p.m. onwards. So, but they have to maintain some SOPs, and of course there should be some SOPs are there, and we do accept those SOPs. And they also said that they will do some special arrangement for the Sawan Mahina. So, no ban on the worshipping there. Worshipping means there nobody can do like. We worshipping means what? We will be there, we sit there, we offer our prayer over there, and that will be done. And that can be done anytime, anywhere. 365 days, everyone accepted these things. And I think from till date, Mozambique case is over, and we will see what is going to happen. And they have assured us, and we have belief on that. We have belief on the leadership of Meghalaya. We have belief on the district administration, Meghalaya administration, and we will wait and watch what they will do in the next coming days, and that will define our next course of action.
Threatening a
No,
lot
there
of
is no threatening from Hindu groups. No one giving any threatening Hindu groups. This is some like people are misinterpreting the things. Yes, we said about the blockage of routes.
Yes, sir.
If the ban is not withdrawn, but they said there is no ban. So see, I cannot now say anything because the administration and Darbar already confirmed that there is no ban. They will keep it open 365 days from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. So that will be okay. Then we will watch. We have the faith on them. So let's see what they do. If then we will design our next course of action. Everyone has the right to live, right to worship, and the right to express. But I think in the same time, being India is a secular country, everyone has to respect every faith, every religious, every caste and community. SARS is not for Joy Sri Ram. There's some special slogans that we have to respect the SARS, and SARS also have to respect the mandirs, temples, and they have to respect us. We have to, because respect is a both way circumstances. It cannot be done one way. So this is what everyone has to respect. What is there, what is in the SARS, we have to respect these things, and all the SARS has to respect what we have in the temples. So it is depend upon the people, and we cannot change the behavior of the public. So this is our simple message to all the people belongs to Meghalaya, Assam, and even being a citizen of this India. We all are citizens of this India. We have fundamental duties for the sake of the nation. Our every activity should be for the strengthening the national integrity and the social harmony. So I request everyone who want here, who is from Meghalaya, who is from Assam and anywhere of the India, everyone should respect the Constitution of India. Everyone should value the Constitution of India. And I think once we do our fundamental duties as prescribed in Article 51A of the Constitution in India, there should not be any hassle in coming days.